Well, when it rains, it pours, or bad things happen in threes. Whatever you want to say. We got another couple of comebacks on these dang snowblowers. Let's get these back to the shop and I'll show you what's going on with these ones. All right, snowblower number one. This is one we did carb rebuild and put a new traction wheel in it. Things working great. Suspect he broke a belt. This one, we put a brand new carburetor on and it's leaking fuel now too. Just got this cover all loosened up. We're gonna pull this off and see if it is in fact the belt that's bad or our repair tie. What are your bets?
I'm definitely saying it's his belt.
Saying it's belt?
It's a previous problem that we uncovered by giving him more torque.
Yep. I'm thinking the same thing. So I literally have not pulled this off yet, so we're gonna lift up, see what we got. And
here, potato.
Well, both belts are connected. Not what I was expecting. Let's see what we got. Well, I don't know. Let's flip it upside down and see what's going on the bottom side here. All right, well, secondary reveal. This just fell out of the bottom of it. We've seen that before, haven't we?
We just fixed that on one of them. And another one.
On another one. That was a different one. Okay, so basically, shear pin on this broke. Awesome. We can fix that. Well, that's consistent with the feeling of a belt breaking, at least. Oh yeah, just shear it right off. That's normal wear and tear, I would say, with the addition of age. Well, we'll get that hammered out, put a new one in, get it delivered back to him. Well, good news for me is it's not a comeback on me. Bad news for the customer is that this is something that was not part of us. He made it through his entire job of removing snow at his house, minus just in front of his garage, and that shear pin broke. That shear pin, I don't preemptively replace shear pins because otherwise I'd just be charging everybody for something that probably wouldn't be needed. But shear pin broke, which is good. Did what it's supposed to. Got a new one in there, so we're gonna fire this thing up. I haven't even made sure it works yet. It should. We're gonna go ahead and make sure this thing moves. If it moves, we're gonna take it on back to them, figure out what we're gonna have to charge, so we do charge for pickup and delivery, and then also for replacing the shear pin on this one in this instance. Confirmed, this one is good to go. We'll bring that to the customer tomorrow. We're at the end of the day here, so tune in tomorrow. We're gonna show you what we find on the other one that is also leaking fuel in the brand new carburetor. Thanks for checking it out. See ya.